Important to all of us to know about the prospect of retinoblastoma if the patient undergo enucleation. So, if the patients undergo enucleation, in case of retinoblastoma, it causes deep psychological impacts on patients and parents' life as well as. So, what we have to do if the patients undergo enucleation? So, the main important thing is that we need to inform and counsel the patient about the realistic expectation, and we need to encourage the parents and the child to lead a normal life. So, repeated processes in case of these children. These children undergone the enucleation due to retinoblastoma. So, what we do? We are the professional college ocularists. So, ocularists is a combination of art and science. We deal with the fabrication of fitting of ocular prosthesis. So, this is the ocular prosthesis. This sits over the implant. In earlier days, people used to say stone eye or god eye. So, in early days, process won't move. At present, we can expect around 90 to 95% cosmetic appearance, as well as we can expect around 50 to 60% movement with the prosthesis. The size of the prosthesis is not new. It practiced since ancient time. Earlier days, the prosthesis was made expensive materials such as gold and clay. And since World War II, we are using something called as acrylic plastic to manufacture ocular prosthesis. There are few prostheses called as stock eye, that is something called a ready-made prosthesis. But we are practicing something called a customized eye, which matches with the fellow up to 90%. So, what is the relation between retinoblastoma and the ocular prosthesis? Nowadays, also due to lack of awareness, lots of patients are coming in the advanced phase of retinoblastoma. In that condition, we need to enucleate the eye. After enucleation, we need to give them a proper cosmetic appearance. So, there's lots of things happens to the parents and patients' life, just like shock because of enucleation and the problem, and the fear of losing the other eye due to maybe if the child having bilateral retinoblastoma. So this is the child we have fitted the ocular prosthesis post enucleation microconjunctival technique. You can see that we achieved around 90% of the cosmetic appearance. We are not just curing the patient, but we are bringing the smile back to the patient. Sometime after enucleation, child always used to ask us when we will get our eye back. Although we are not able to restore the vision, but we are able to restore the cosmetic appearance of the child. So there are lots of other indications for the ocular prosthesis also. So in case of adult patient, also we are fitting the ocular prosthesis. We are also managing the child with several other problems. So our primary role is that after enucleation of the eye, we should counsel the patient, and we should give them cosmetic appearance as good as possible. So with a simple device, we can restore the cosmetic appearance of the child. There is something different type of prosthesis. We had something called orbital prosthesis, indicated from some other kind of cancer. So if the complete orbit is removed, we have to fit a prosthesis called as orbital prosthesis. That is also fitted a type of cancer, but basically in case of adult type of cancer, in that case we need to excentrate the socket, and we are fitting the facial prosthesis. Thank you.